So to close part 2, okay, today po we're also launching, si Sir Alex. Ito ay kaibigan ng mga kaibigan, no? We're happy to have here with us the Director for PCA in this area. Welcome natin si Sir Alex kasi ngayon pala ay Coconut Month, tama ba? Yan. So, Sir Alex, a few words from you before we do our ceremonial planting. Welcome po natin si Sir Alex.
Good morning po sa lahat. Nagpapasalamat po kami for the GK community for inviting us. And of course, Dr. Ruel, parang Saturday lang ako nasabihan ni Doc, pero dahil sobrang lakas sa akin ni Doc, ay po agad.
Hindi makapalag.
We are providing or committing to the GK community 500 hybrid seedlings para po yun sa buong komunidad with a potential harvest of 150 nuts per tree with a value of for almost 2 million per year or 187,000 per month na ang makikinabang po ay buong GK community. Yan po, we're looking forward and we are very proud po na ang Filipino Formosa flagship farm ay isang coconut farm.
Yay!
And then GK Hugo Perez po ay isa na pong coconut farming community. Maraming salamat
po. Thank you, Sir Alex. So ito po ay unang formal engagement ng Gawad Kalinga after 30 years with the Philippine Coconut Authority. And to wrap up our part 2, magtatanim tayo, symbolizing our pangarap na hindi ito nagtatapos dito, bagkus nagsisimula pa lamang ang masaganang buhay para sa ating lahat. So Sir Alex, can you lead us in the ceremonial planting doon sa kabilang side po? Alright? Okay. Hindi na? Hindi na ba? Iba ba?
1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Take that. 1, 2, 3, take that.
Ah, naman, ikaw yun. Ikaw yun.
Ipadala ko kay Dex eh.
Okay.
Din po, dito din po.
Okay, sa balwas pa.
Ako din po.
Alright, ito Charlie, ikaw ang pinakakuya namin. So, ikaw ang maglalagay ng ano. The eldest among us will plant. Okay. Yun, alright. Okay, Ay, mga kabataan, magpala kayo. Magpala kayo. Ayan. Okay.
Healthy looking, ah.
Okay. Dito Charlie, pwedeng lagyan to ng pangalan ha, sino mga taga dito? Okay, ito yung ano, the Kapati tree. Okay. Alright.
That's too much.
Okay, okay. Yung iba, we have 4 more, so if you can take your na para each of us could have a ceremonial planting. Vanessa, take your tree, that's your tree. This is your coconut tree.